MikeDrop. Listen, I have taken a hiatus and I am back. As you probably noticed, probably for the last 4 months, I haven't really been posting many mic drops. I've been going in order to go out. So I've got a lot here in my journal that I want to share with you. So I'm going to be back in full string every day doing this for you. But I want to start it off with what I wrote down today in my journal. I've shared this on a couple coaching calls today with people, and it was a conversation again. My mic drops are conversations with me, things that I'm having internally. And as I read this, after I wrote it down and I shared it with a couple people, I was like, you know what, Mike, you got to get this out because it'll probably impact some other people the way it impacted you and the people you shared it with. So I wrote down this daily question. And next to it, I wrote down, who do I need to become in order to achieve what I want today? So it was a daily question. Who do I need to become in order to achieve what I want to achieve today? And then I wrote, if you don't have to grow into the person who achieves this thing, then you are not thinking and stretching yourself big enough. Progress requires moving forward and requires action. So I hope you got something from that. I hope you can put that into practice, and I hope it can make an impact on you. And look forward to tomorrow sharing with you another thing from this journal from the last few months that I haven't shared with everyone. Mic drop.